We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc. And PLTR stock had a full move up here in the pre-market and opening bell, hitting all-time highs today. And it wasn't only stock experiencing volatility, the overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 9:30 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and it did not get canceled until 11:55 a.m. with a bull indicator, lasted nearly 2 hours, and full strength there on 42 vision from the rip area to multiple dip areas, dropping from up here at around 612 all the way down to 609. So these were some new all-time highs on the SPY, and quickly it fell down, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and joining a community of members, receiving this clarity and edge over the charts, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can check out the link down below in the description or the top pinned comment to get connected and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the market. So here we are with PLTR in the volatility of today's market, hitting all-time highs after the open at 125, rejecting it, doing a full transition down to the dip area and back under a bull indicator here since the 120.77 level here on the 5-minute chart, and trying to retrace back up to key resistance levels up here between 123.50, which it rejected here in the live action, and all the way up here to 125. So we have some key levels to watch here going into tomorrow, and we could see a full transition so far here on the lower time frame from the dip area to the rip area here of bright green bars. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with PLTR, Palantir Technologies Inc., back under a bull indicator since Wednesday of last week. There was a brief moment of volatility here in this chop between 109 and up here towards 118, and a bull indicator has dominated since last week on Wednesday. Tight consolidation at 115 to 118, breakout to new highs above 120 on Friday, and a continuation here so far. So a strong bull indicator here since 112.50, and we've talked about Palantir way back when it was IPO'd, when the price was below the IPO price, below $10, and it went all the way up to the $40 range. And a lot of people right now, this is day traders paradise with this volatility, and this is some of people's largest positions in their portfolios, like Kathy Wood, and you have others on Wall Street with large positions in PLTR stock, and even individual investors. This is some of the top performing stock and positions in many people's portfolios. So definitely something to not ignore up here at these all-time highs. And a lot of people undervalued it. It got so many contracts back in the day, and we're up here above $100. And the speculation is it still undervalued based off of everything it's doing and what it provides as a service and what type of business it is, right? So we're above 120. The price target, a lot of people were speculating, was 120. We hit it on Friday and rejected it, and then up here now at 123.25. Lots of concentration and focus now on the possibility of 130, but some are stating we are frothy up here and we are at all-time highs. So that is something to be aware of. just as fast as it's moving up, it can start to pull down. But there is going to be a huge support and strength up here as long as it stays above 100, and especially the $95 and $90 area. So let's break it down here. What are the key levels? So we have a bull indicator on the 1 hour. We have a bull indicator on the 2 hours since way down here at $82. And then we also have a bull indicator here on the 4 hour since down here at $76. So these pullbacks and these slowdowns have not been justified, and the strength continues and the trend. And this is where 42 Vision allows us to see the strength, because any pullback that does not pop up with a bear indicator or dark green bars, it does not signify its true weakness. It's just a setup, as I like to call it, for the next bull run, like it did here, like it did here, like it even did here before the next run back up to break through that resistance of $85, and then here as well, pulling downwards from up here at 118 down towards 112, and now we're up here at new all-time highs. And when we go ahead and zoom into the volatility of the 30-minute, we've had bull and bear indicators pop up, but quickly those bear indicators are getting canceled by bull indicators like the one we see here at 121. And then if you zoom out to the 1 hour, no bear indicator has popped up throughout those pullbacks, not justifying it. And those reversals and strength back up to retest key resistance levels are justified because those bull indicators are still in effect. So what's the first support I'll be watching? Well, the first one is 120. If that gets broken through, then comes 118.50 to the 118 level, and then 116. Now to the upside, we're coming back up here and trying to hold above 123. The first resistance is 125. If that gets broken through, comes 127, and then I'll be watching the 128 area, that very tight range up there between 127 and 128, and then we'll have to reassess at those levels. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial as long as those bull indicators continue to hold on the larger time frames, and the shorter time frames like the 15-minute, the 30-minute pop up with bear indicators. As quick as those bull indicators reappear in the bigger picture, once that confirmation aligns and those inflows are moving up above the midpoint as well, which we look at in our charts, well, then that justifies the retest of possible resistance levels and continuation of strength. And these bear indicators on the lower time frames are not justified, because in the bigger ones, bull indicators are still in effect and support levels are still holding. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge within these charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators and the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community of members using these resources. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.